Hi everyone, it's Tammy Perrin, your independent distributor for GelMoment. Today I'd like to show you how to achieve the ribbon look. As you can see, I've done many different colors. There's multiple combinations you could do. The things I've found the most success with is the two lighter colors together. I found when you put a darker color, it doesn't read as well because you can't see the black lines as well. So I love the two lighter colors together, or even that one right there. Today I'm going to show you a nail stick with Pretty Please and Paparazzi for the ribbons. It's actually super easy. You start, do your base coat with your lightest color. I did 2 coats, and then you do dots. So you do equal amount of dots, like that. And I'll show you. There. So at each intersection is a dot. Okay? And you take your striping brush and your Raven's Kiss, and you start to make lines. And you connect the dots. So you keep connecting dots until you have this, in that order. Some above the dots, some below the dots, and you make the dots into squares. And you see the ribbons start to appear. And you want to cure, after your dots, you cure them. After a few lines, if you feel uncomfortable, cure them too. So then, after you've done all your lines, then you can take your dotting tool and you color in the lines. So I would highly suggest you coloring the vertical lines that you want to color. I've tried it doing the horizontal lines and it gets really finicky in the sides. So if you do the vertical ones, you have a little one here, a big one, a little one, and then 2 big ones. So I just take my dotting tool and color in. And then it becomes this. And then you're almost done. You could add some lines to make the ribbons look like they're shining. In this one I have Pretty Please. I used my striping brush and I put Pretty Please as the little lines. And it didn't really show up on the chandelier. I'm not going to do that to this one. You don't have to. Then you just put Clearly Frisky to top it all off. And you cure that. And that's 45 seconds and it's all done.